Very good evening, folks. And today we are on the 5th of July, one day after Guy Fawkes Day, the American New Year, and we're going to have a great time with Additya Srivasstav, who's going to be coming into the room. Additya is one person that I have a lot of respect for. He's going to be coming in. We're going to be talking about a lot of stuff. It's going to get very interesting. Additya is here. Can you hear me, Aman? Aman Gupta, can you hear me? Yes, I think he can. So good to see all the people coming in, including Mr. Abhishek Desai is also here. Good to see you, Abhishek. And we go on and on. We are on our Insta Live number 208 today. And let's quickly try and pull Aditya into the room. This is going to get good, interesting. I see Aditya here, and I said Yamini, Sanjay. Give me a call sometime, Abhishek. Give me a call sometime. Maybe after 10 p.m. today or after 10 a.m. tomorrow. Let's sort this out. So that's great, Aditya. Good to see you, sir.
Hi, sir. Good evening.
Wonderful, wonderful. Absolutely great. We have Additya Srivasstav. This guy is somebody to look out for. Let me tell the entire crowd here. This guy is somebody to look out for. He's he's going to really take the place by storm. A lot of plans that I'm kind of aware of, a little bit here and there. Not that I'm privy to all his plans, but this is going to be really interesting. Saltlake Productions is something that he started some time ago, 15 years otherwise into the business, doing so much of work. And today, Aditya is also going to be taking a webinar later at about 8 p.m., which is going to be on life of an event manager. But that's later at 8 p.m. Let's listen to Aditya now and hear his story. Let's understand who he is in his own words, how the entire change to Saltlake Productions, etc., and all of that. Yeah. All yours, Aditya.
Hi, sir. Thank you. Thank you for inviting me again. This is my second season with you.
Yes.
Always exciting on me.
Yeah.
So it's a wonderful time. So many things around pandemic, and then me shifting to a lot of articles. Now and then, it is important to change, but not fully. So keep doing whatever you want to do, and you just, keep experimenting with a lot of things, whichever comes by your side. And see, our industry is like wide open. Our industry is the industry where we can fit into any profile, be it corporate, be it wedding, be it, connecting to governments, being connecting to anyone, birthday celebration, anniversary. This is the profile which gives you expansion of getting into everything. I think it's only one profession of ours. See, doctors can only be doctors. They can't be event managers, right?
So nice.
But event managers can do doctorate conferences, can, collaboration with any profile, automobiles, doctor, engineers, VVIPs, celebrities. So we are so blessed to meet so many different vertical of peoples and profiles in our life, wherein you get to learn every profile is different and every profile personality is different. So there's always challenging. There's always something which is very positive things we see across. तो हमारे इंडस्ट्री में झाड़ू से लेके वीवीआईपी तक हमको जरूरत पड़ती है. For me, even a servant. For me, even a normal who sweeps, who cleans, from that level to a celebrity, we require every category of profile with us. We work with everyone.
Right.
So which is like amazing. which profile gives this opportunity?
Absolutely,
Only an event
absolutely.
management, only an event manager can do that.
You know, it
So
reminds
मैंने
me of a
झाड़ू भी
little.
लगाया. I have swept. I mean, I have taken myself. I have taken broom and wiped a lot of things, because some servants don't turn up in your live events in grounds, and there are so many things which happens. You need to be everything. You need to be prepared everything. Jhadu, pocha,
But you know,
sitting, everything.
Aditya, K till today, on ground events, after everything is ready, okay? Can you hear me?
Yes, yes,
Can you
yes,
hear me? Yeah. After everything
yes,
is
yes,
ready, okay, in an event, I take the jhadu and I go and sweep the stage myself.
yes,
Till today.
yes, yes.
I think that's
We
some
don't
kind of
wait
good.
for anyone. Show
Yeah,
has to go on. Show has to
right,
go on. We don't wait for anyone. I well and good. नहीं आए, अपना खुद उठाओ, अपना खुद करो. Make sure you run that event. That's it.
right, right. Tell us about the transformation to Salt Lake.
Transformation from Salt Lake. See, first, previous it was Orange Events in it. So basically fed up, but then little changes. I already did a few film production with few of the films, which was quite exciting. Again, film industry and entertainment, be it whatever level, it's all our entertainment industry only. It was quite interesting, and I like the name Salt Lake. So it is
Yes.
just a change. I felt no now, since if I want to get into the magnitude of doing events, doing corporate events, doing film, then film production, post production. So let me have one production name where it can give out a good, uh, resourceful, nice name where everybody can join me stating, okay, there's one production house which does a lot of things, be it fashion events, be it international shoots, be it shootings, be it events. And so that was only the shift, and this was only the major change what I wanted. So I just changed it. Since I
Super.
get everything into one kitty, so I have the Salt Lake production, wherein, for example, which does a lot of events and they do films also. The DS Entertainment. So a lot of other, hello, yeah. So a lot of other, good established pioneers of event management company have been doing this. So I thought, okay, why not? Why should I do it? So that's it. I did it off. Yeah.
Super, super, fantastic. Like I said earlier, people, Aditya is somebody to look out for. He's doing so many new things, and it's going to become very interesting. Somebody who's going to be very sought after in a bit from now, and it's going to become really large. So we went through, Aditya, we went through lockdowns, we went through first waves and second waves, and now I think some third wave and some Delta and Delta 1 and Delta Plus and all. It all sounds like one
Delta Pro.
bad,
Delta Pro.
it sounds like a third class C grade movie to me. But on that note, there's so much on spoken about vaccination and vaccination drives and stuff like that. Uh, what is your perspective on the entire vaccination and the drive, and what do you think should happen next?
See, most of the medical experts have come out with this, and they gave a mandate where vaccination should happen. So even I was initially very skeptical about getting it done, taking it, kya hai, kya nahi hai, lot of confusion, right? And we have seen, I've seen and heard very unfold stories, and which makes us a little scared. Not being, but then yes, when you come across such news and which happens with your own people, that's why you start believing it, right? So yeah, I mean, and then doctors started educating that it is safe, and there's a lot of things happening. Vaccinated, there's no other go. If you want to be just that mindset stating, yes, I've taken vaccinated, yes, I am safe. There is a little. I think we all went to a very different mental trauma during the second wave, which was we had no idea what's going around. Absolutely no idea. We never even thought that this could just spike up and, again make a disaster to everyone, which is like quite unfortunate. But then, yes, we are all very positive. We have to be positive. There's no other go. And do things as per flows, how it happens, keep going. That's all. That's all I can say. Yeah.
Right, right. So the vaccination you think everybody should take?
Yes, you should. You
Okay,
should.
okay. So that's what a lot of people also say, but there is always a set of people who say no to the vaccination. But Ashok Kumar, 58 says, "Hi Aditya sir." That's Ashok Kumar for you, who's saying hello to you. So quickly, let me move on. And now people will get vaccinated 2021. So 2 years so have been kind of washed out almost. What about 2022? What do you think? 2022, we will be back full on, or half on, or some on, or no on? What is going to happen 2022?
So as I said, we need to be positive. I am positive. Somewhat, a little will open, because I think already countries like Dubai and USA have settled. Because one of my friend is in Dubai and she is handling that global village event. So she's there
Mhm.
from past 2 months and things are a little better. But India,
Okay.
yeah, it'll take it'll it'll happen slow, but yeah, it will definitely take time for us to do a full-fledged capacity events which we were doing. It'll take at least a year, peacefully, at least a year.
Okay. Okay.
Yes,
Okay. Okay. So you're saying mid or end 2022.
yes.
Great. Great. So Aditya Srivasstav, Saltlake Productions, is going to be with us at 8 p.m. today. He's going to do a webinar on life of an event manager. People who are interested, there's a link in the bio. You can go down there, register. We have quite a few people who are already there, registered for this webinar that Aditya is going to be taking. But like I always say, this entire thing is for the future of event management. We are looking at the students of today and tomorrow. A quick piece of advice for them before we wind up for today, Aditya.
Advice for students:
Mm-hmm.
you're on the right way. Keep moving. We all are event managers, and everyone loves our profession. But then it's a lot of hard work which just goes behind, which people usually don't see. So usually they say, "Arey, wow, you're into event management. You are into glamour. You are into this, that." But then the passion and the sweat and the compromises what we do is a real hardship. And if you're an event manager, you can handle anything in life. So students, this is the best. Wherever they are moving ahead, please keep moving your right profession. And we all welcome you.
Super.
Come ahead, and we need to keep growing. We need to keep growing our profession.
Superb, superb, Aditya. I look forward to seeing you in about 1 hour from now
Yes,
at
sir.
a
Thank
webinar,
you.
which we are going to have some fun in. Thank you so much for your time, buddy.
Yes. Thank you, sir. Thank you. We'll see you at 8. Thank you so much.